resurrected electrified automotive brand is preparing to begin selling the SUVs made at its forthcoming South Carolina factory in 2 years' time. But barring a change in state law, residents of the Palmetto State won't be among its customers, at least directly. CarScoops noted recently that South Carolina is one of some 20 states that continue to restrict direct-to-consumer vehicle sales. Those policies, which require cars to be sold by dealerships, date back to mid-century legislative efforts to protect dealers from auto industry giants. In the modern era, however, it has meant that would-be rival car makers embracing a direct-to-consumer model, most famously Tesla and fellow EV startup Rivian, are officially unable to sell their cars across a wide swath of the country. Joining them soon could be another sort of startup. Scout Motors announced in 2023 that it planned to begin making electric SUVs, inspired by the original Scout vehicles of the 1960s and 70s, at a new plant near Columbia, South Carolina. The $2 billion facility in Blythewood is being built with the help of some $1.3 billion in state funding, and officials expect the project to create around 4,000 jobs. Sales of Scout's EVs are expected to start in 2027, and the company, which is backed by Volkswagen, is reportedly hopeful that the state's regulatory landscape could change before then. Lawmakers have introduced a bill that would enable Scout, Tesla, and other direct-to-consumer auto companies to operate in South Carolina, amid what will assuredly be fierce opposition from dealer groups. Should that measure fall short, of course, restrictions in one state don't mean that prospective buyers can't procure one in a state that does. Both of South Carolina's neighbors, it should be noted, allow direct car sales in some form. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.